Good morning.
Hi.
Today is December 6th, right? So we have, 19 more days till Christmas?
Yeah.
All right, so we're currently on our way to drop Gianna to school. And then I just have to do a little quick supermarket run, and then that's it for today. So tell them later.
Later.
All right, see ya later. Yeah, ShopRite. Just pick up a couple of items. Get some carrots. December 8th. Get some bananas. I don't like buying them too yellow because then they get bad fast. So they get bad. Where are we at though? I don't even see. Almost the weeks. Cheerios. Strawberry, almonds. Okay, so I'm looking for the cookie almonds. Oh, okay, seems to be here. Damn, don't got the regular ones. So I'm just looking for eggs now, and I think we need syrup, and that's about it. So I'm looking for, oh, here they are. So I need large white or brown eggs. Okay, I got the eggs, so now I'm looking for syrup. So let's look at that. Alright, so I found the aisle with the syrup. Let's see. Butter syrup. What's it good? Right. My eyes are staring at me crazy. Look at that part. Ooh.
burn the curry, you know. Look at that here, man, at the top chef, and we're in the kitchen again. Yeah, man, you don't know, you know, I brown my chicken first, you know. As you know, I say, to make this one brown up in the pot. Look at that, we cook down some curry chicken and white rice today, you know. You don't know the thing, but look at that. Then I'm going to go and fry it down a little bit. We are going to add some water soon. You see me, I say, take out the oil and add some water. You see me, I say? Come on, cook it down, ready for cook down, you know, on a curry chicken, you know. The Top Chef way, you know, look at that. We have some white rice and steam up. You see me, I say, curry chicken and white rice. You see me, just make that come and cook now. You see me, I say, look at that. Ready, you know? Dinner ready for be served, right? Yeah, man, dinner ready right now, you know? See it cook well done, you know? You see me, I say? Yeah, man, the kids, them, everybody, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, look at that, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Eat that.